Our breed, which is a very typical breed, it has the very typical pointed ear points which sometimes meet. 14 to 15 hands in height, lean built, very intelligent, very spirited, can adapt easily to food and fodder changes, temperature changes, and he rolls in the ground and is ready to go again.
Marwari horses have a lot of traits basically. They are more leggy, they are not as big as your horses. They consume less and they are very used to our conditions. And they have very good endurance.
Between the three important breeds, the Marwari, Kathiawari and the Sindhi, the ears have the curve, but the Sindhis have the ear format on the forehead much at a distance from each other, and therefore the curve is not overlapping or not can be seen clearly. It is little further away. But in Kathiawari it is the closest and can be seen very easily, but the ears are little smaller. In the Marwari also, they can be seen very clearly, overlapping each other, curves like that, and the ears of the Marwadis are little longer than that of the Kathiawari. We find the Marwari one of the most loyal among the horses. We have had falls from horses, we have seen them, and the Marwari never has dragged anyone or never has run away from that. They stand still. They respond to the human voice a lot. And that is why all the names that we have of the horses are based on Indian mythology, Indian religion, Indian habits, and we can call them out.
मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताऊंगा।